This channel is not about being perfect. It's about showing up every single day.
Hi, I am Shafi, and this is Weights and Rackets. I'm a working professional living in Dubai, trying to balance work, fitness, and life.
So, this was me few years ago, fit, active, and confident. Almost 6 years.
Then life happened, family responsibilities increased. I changed jobs and moved to Dubai, work pressure, long hours, and slowly I lost myself. This is how I look today. This is the truth, not proud, but not ashamed either.
Now I realized something. If I don't change now, I'll keep postponing myself forever. So today I'm starting a 100-day challenge to bring myself back to the best version after 6 years. It's going to be hard, there will be bad days, but quitting is not an option.
So here weight represents strength, physical and mental of course. Rackets represent speed, focus and discipline. Together they remind me that fitness is not a phase, it's a lifestyle.
Though I'm not a professional fitness trainer now, which I was few years back, neither a professional badminton player. This channel will show real gym workouts, badminton sessions, routines, failures, and progress. No filters, no fake motivation, just consistency. If you are someone who feels you lost yourself somewhere in life, join me. Let's rebuild together. Again, this is Weights and Rackets, 100 days, no excuses, just progress.